I got these sharpening stones as a Christmas gift. The first one comes in 400 and 800 grit and has 18 by 6 by 3 centimeters. It was made by Suki International in China. It comes with this useless sharpening guide. Maybe you could use these ceramic rods as an EDC sharpening stone. The stone itself looks nicely made, with even grain under the microscope. It comes with this nice bamboo holder that has a non-slip rubber base. And it's actually not slipping. The second stone has 1000 and 6000 grit. Again, nicely finished. Some people say the grit labelling is reversed and that the white one is actually 6000 grit. We'll see later under the microscope if that is true. These are water stones and they need to be soaked for 15 minutes before each use. For testing, I'll use this not great, not terrible Tefal kitchen knife. It's been in use so it cuts reasonably well despite the bad sharpening. This is how the edge looks like now. Absolutely barbaric. Let's dull it a bit to make the test more relevant. That did the trick. It's now as dull as if my wife used it. Only on the 400 grit I'll show my entire sharpening routine. On the others, I'll edit most of it out. Don't worry. I won't speed it out though, so you can hear the sound the stones make on each grit. If you enjoy this review, please subscribe. It would be nice to reach 500 subs before the end of the year. Thank you. This is what it looks under the microscope. Still a rough edge, but a lot more uniform than it was. And to no surprise, it does not cut paper. Let's switch to 800 grit. feels a lot sharper. And it looks way better under the microscope. Let's switch to 1000 grit. It sounds a lot smoother than the 800, maybe people were right, and the white part is 6000. Still looks about the same as 800 under the microscope. It cuts a bit better though. Let's see how the blue part sounds. To me, this looks way better than the white part. What do you think? Is it labelled the right way or are they reversed? It cuts paper pretty well. A few passes on a leather strop will do wonders. Overall, the stones are good enough, maybe a bit soft for my taste, but they did a great job on the knife. At a price of around €15 each, they are comparable to similar Chinese stones from other makers. It's important when using wet stones not to put them away wet, because they might develop mould, especially the bamboo base. If you've enjoyed this review, please subscribe. I'll try to add a new review each week. Thank you.